What's going on, family? I just wanted to get on here and pretty much just talk about some things that I've seen on YouTube. I don't want to mention any names or vice versa because it's irrelevant. But my thing is that if you are here on YouTube trying to search information, and what I mean by information is that you are surfing the channels and you are trying to find something or a particular finding that you might be working on, that you might be stumped on, or some kind of or just anything in general that you're searching for and you're trying to find information on. And I get that it's a little frustrating when you're on YouTube trying to find information. Even if you're surfing the web, not everybody tells you or pinpoints every fact about certain items. Whether you are talking about a press, or whether you're talking about a printer, or if you're talking about a certain way how to do vinyl, or what kind of shirts and stuff like that, it can be very frustrating. I find myself about 4 years ago doing the same thing and looking and searching and asking questions. And even if you leave it in the comments of certain creators, they don't always comment back. Now, on certain occasions, most of the creators that I've talked to, that I still watch to this day, those content creators, they'll answer you back, and they'll tell you like it is. They don't really stick to the point because they don't give you pricing. They'll tell you bits and pieces of where to get it from, or they'll tell you to search the websites to find. In other words, you got to do your own due diligence, and I understand. And I've been in those shoes, and I've looked around, and it gets rough. It gets very rough, and sometimes it can get overwhelming. Now, for me, if you leave a comment on my YouTube channel, I will get back to you. My email is for other businesses to talk to me through. I did get a few viewers that do comment through my email. Now, am I gonna charge him a consultation fee because he emailed me about a heat press, or he emailed me about having issues on a printer? No. I'm gonna read your email and I'm gonna answer you back, because this information wasn't given to me, and if I can help anybody out, I would. I even had people go through my Facebook page and saw my videos and commented me through my Facebook page, asking me about different things. And hey guys, I'm telling you to go for it. You can contact me no matter which way you want, through email, through Facebook, through Instagram, whatever you want. If I have the answer to your problem, or at least try to help you out as much as I can, I'm gonna share it, because there was nobody out there to do that for me. And sometimes, and I get it, everybody's out for money, but if you ask some of these bigger creators, they might ask you for, a consultation fee or something, and if you're just starting out, your resources are bare minimum. Your resources are bare minimum, and you're just starting off. So the money that you have is to start your business. So how are these other creators gonna help you progress if you're getting charged consultation fee or even a session fee? And I get it. I mean, if I have to go to your house and show you how to put vinyl together, or show you how to work a printer, or show you how to design something, then yes, now I'm using my time to go to you. But to answer an email or answer a comment, that does it for me. Excuse me, hold that thought. Sorry, my throat was getting a little dry there. For me, I think that's just, that's just something that you can give, some kind of knowledge that you can give to a person. That's the reason why we started doing the YouTube page, is to help others that might have questions on certain things. And yes, I'm not as big as some of these other guys that's been doing it, 3-4 years before me. I was watching a guy that was doing it for 20 years, and I value his info, and he's always on point with his stuff. Even other content creators that I know, Levitt Apparel, he's a real good guy. Me and him, we go back, even through emails, we chat back and forth. And I love these guys, because these guys will help you guys out. We'll talk back and forth. Hey, shout out to Ride Beats. If you guys don't know who Ride Beats is, you need to go check out his page. And he's doing a lot of stuff with DTF. And, I'm learning off of him, because he knows a hell of a lot more than me. You have a lot of people out here that are creating stuff, and I don't know if they charge a consultation fee, or I don't know if they charge you for a one-on-one, but I'm pretty sure that any person that's out here, or anybody that's willing to help out another person, would give you the information that you need, because that's the whole idea of this. The whole idea is to give you the information you need for you to start your own. There's no get-rich scam. I don't make no money off of YouTube. I am not monetized. I am not in no way, shape, or form have the amount of followers that other content creators have. But if I can help that person out, I will, because that's just me. I don't do it for the money. I do it to help others on information that I couldn't get. So, guys, do your research, go around. If you have any questions for me, feel free to hit them in the comments. If you want to hit me up on Facebook or, on Instagram, I'll be more than glad to try to help you through the situation if I can't answer it, or try to help you find the information that you might need. That's just me. I'm that type of person, and I will help you to the end. So go around, check out the two guys that I told you. You also got the t-shirt chick. She's very helpful, and I love her because she's very humble. You have A-Dub Productions. He's with embroidery, he's mind-blowing. He knows his stuff. There's a lot of people. You even got Stan Banks. You might want to go check him out. There's so many people out here that are doing this kind of content, and you got a lot of women too out there that are doing this content as well. That are showing you different things on the silhouette, on sublimation. So surf YouTube, surf the YouTube channel, and find the creators that you need. And you might find certain things that one person might not know, the other person might know. So again, guys, this video it's just a quick video. I just wanted to put it out there. If I can ever help you guys out, I will. If I can't help you out, I would try to find the research to help you guys out. That's just the type of person I am. Like I said, I've been doing this 4 years, almost 4.5 now, strong, and I've learned a lot. I've learned a hell of a lot, and and that's just me. I'm gonna help you out. So on this note, guys, don't be afraid to ask any questions or leave a comment. I will try to answer you the best I can. You guys can go in, on my page and look for information. I have, all my Instagram account, my Facebook account, everything's on there. So if you guys want to actually find out any information, just leave me a comment. I don't really advise you to leave me an email because that is my business email, and I would like to keep that business related. But it doesn't mean I'm going to turn you away. I'm still, going to answer your question, or I might tell you to hit me up on Facebook or Instagram, or even leave it in the comments for me to answer. But yes, my email is for business only. But if I have to, I will, but I'm not telling you to, so business only. So yeah, hit me up on any other one of the channels. If I can help you out, I'll help you out. I'm sorry I'm repeating myself, but guys, chase your dream, chase your side hustle, whatever you want to call it, make that money, just do what you got to do. And I will try to help you guys out as much as I can, or any one of those other content creators that are out there will try to help you out as best as they can. There's no blessings to everybody. Peace.